Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you see a suspicious fake or policy violating listing, you can report it directly on Facebook Marketplace. That's easy. Reporting it helps keep the platform safe for buyers and sellers. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to report a listing on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So what reporting a listing means? So reporting allows you to alert Facebook to suspicious activity, flag counterfeit or illegal items, report scams or misleading descriptions, and protect the community. So reports are reviewed by Facebook's moderation system. So now open the Facebook application and tap the Marketplace icon. On desktop, click Marketplace from the left sidebar. So now find the listing you want to report. So for example, I'm not gonna report a listing because all of these people are not doing something wrong, but I will just give you an example. Okay, so for example, let's choose, for example, this item. So tap the three dots in the top corner. Okay, select report listing. Okay, the reporting menu will appear. So select the reason, for example, scam, prohibited item, fake products, misleading info. Okay, so be accurate, choose the closest, for example, the closest matching reason. Detailed reports help faster review. Okay, so then after you choose one of these, tap submit, wait for confirmation, and your report is sent. Facebook will review it and you can continue browsing normally. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.